Hello everyone, hope everyone is having an awesome day. Today on this video I wanted to talk about a business model that I started, and within just a short 10 days I was able to take that business from $0 to now $900 that I was able to earn within the 10-day period, and it's increasing every single day, and the growth is so rapid. And I have personally never ever seen a business model where I can take this small business model and get to that $900. And now this is now affiliate marketing, this is not drop shipping, this is not YouTube automation. And to be exact, I'm actually doing a masterclass to be able to share all this information with a complete newbie. And even if you have been doing online business and you still haven't seen that success, I will also be helping people in that nature as well, where I'm going to be working with a selected few people, and I'll tell you the exact strategy what I'm doing to be able to get that amount of results within a very short amount of time, and to actually grow, right? It's good to take a business from $0 to $1,000 within a very short amount of time. It's awesome, right? And everyone wants to do that, right? But not a lot of people are able to achieve that amount of success. And the reason I was able to do that, because I had to pay a lot of money to be able to join this secret mastermind group of people. And these people are actually just crushing it in the online space. These people are actually making $0 to $1 million within a very short amount of time, right? And now this is not YouTube automation, this is not drop shipping, this is not Amazon FBA, this is not Etsy selling, this is not you reaching out to people on Facebook and tell you that you need to join their private mastermind group, right? So this is nothing like that. So now you can go and watch my video, which is going to be next. And this is literally a step by step day progress on day 0 to day 10. And you can see my actual results with the system, and be able to get blown away, right? Because I haven't seen anything like this out there, and it's only going to get better. And now I am able to unlock that another income stream where I'm going to be earning $400 plus every single day, and going to grow that, right? And take a business from complete scratch to hitting that $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 and beyond every single month, right? And I was able to achieve that amount of results with YouTube automation. But because on YouTube there's a lot of moving parts, right? You're going to be managing a team, you're going to be giving the team video ideas, right? You're going to be attending mastermind calls if you have gained access to some program, some course, right? There's going to be a lot of moving parts, what normally people, they don't talk about, right? You want to start a business that's 100% automated, right? I'm talking 100% automated, right? You don't need to do a single thing, and pretty much the money just grows day by day by day, right? So if that's actually sounding appealing to you, I'll leave a link in the description. So click the first link in the description, where you're gonna get access to a live mastermind call I'm doing for next weekend, which is the 25th of November, right? And you can actually attend. And you can also reach out to me via Facebook, just say secret project, and I'll add you to a group of people. And on that group I share a lot of information, my daily progress, and these people I'm actually helping on a one-on-one basis. So if you want to get added to that group as well, I'll be helping you to get to that $0 to $1,000 very fast and beyond, right? And this is not me earning any commission from you, this is all free information, right? I'm only giving this to a selected few people, right? So make sure you get access to this and you don't want to miss this, because with YouTube automation, yes, you can achieve these results. $0 to $1,000 a day is very doable, right? But you cannot do that time and time again, right? Today you might hit $1,000 a day, and next day you might hit only $50 a day, $25. So it's not that stagnant, right? YouTube is just like a wave, right? But this is like this, right? There's not gonna be any crash. It's always going to be constantly growing this revenue stream, right? And which is a guaranteed way for you to be earning sustainable and recurring income online. So again, here's my video. Make sure you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye. God bless you. Bye for now. Hey guys, all jokes aside, just wanted to show you my earning for a new system that I've started. 100% automated business. This is the total earning that I've earned. It's just been under 7 days I've started this system, and you can see total earnings so far. And I'll be doing the exact training about what I'm doing to earn this amount of income, right? 100% automated. So DM me so I can provide you more information. So just wanted to say, don't sleep on these opportunities, as I'm doing a free masterclass for this amazing training in 7 days. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, this is the day 8 earning. This is a brand new business model and the system I started. You can see the total earning so far we have made. Don't sleep on these opportunities, as I'm doing a live training about this whole thing next week. Let me know if you're interested so I can send you more information. And you can see this 100% automated business. Most of the time gurus actually tell you do this, do that, but with this it's nothing like that. And you can see the results only been 8 days, and this is the total earning that I have made with this brand new platform. Hey guys, just wanted to give you an update on my new business model. It has only been the day 10, and I'll show you the earning now so you can see for yourself this amazing system. See on the screen, $930.70 I've made just with this system alone, and 100% automated, right? I didn't set up anything. Once I got started, right, I just followed a set of steps, and I'm earning this incredible income. And very soon I'll also be opening another income stream, which will actually give me $440 every single day, right? And to actually know what I'm doing to earn this income, send me a DM, and I'm doing a masterclass next weekend so you can actually attend. Catch you soon.